The South African legal team assisting the MDC Alliance with its court challenge in Zimbabwe is still waiting for work permits.
Indeed, meanwhile, both the MDC Alliance and ZANU-PF are confident they will win the battle. The state broadcaster has been granted permission to televise the proceedings live. Today, opposition leader Nelson Chamisa shed some light on his party's court petition.
Two of South Africa's most high-profile legal minds, advocates Tembeka Ngcukaitobi and Dalimpofu, preparing for the case last week. But the Justice Minister in Zimbabwe say they must have permission to work there. It won't be the first time the MDC is roping in a South African legal team. In 2004, Advocate George Bizos represented Morgan Tsvangirai at his treason trial.
You will know from your own research that it was during Mugabe's reign that Tsvangirai was charged no less than, I think, 2 or 3 times with treason, which would have led to his death if he had been found guilty. And in one of those cases, I think he was represented by Bizos SC. So even during Mugabe's reign, there was this clear participation of very senior South African lawyers known for their prowess in human rights litigation and in human rights cases.
Nelson Chamisa says he's optimistic the court will overturn Mnangagwa's election victory.
This is the message I have to SADC. Please help us help the African continent and help ourselves by making sure that you help us heal the divisions that are in the country. There is need for people to start to be on a permanent path to cure the illegitimacy, to cure the crisis that we have, the electoral settlement.
ZANU-PF's team of 12 lawyers will argue against the MDC, saying the court bid is a waste of time. The party was equally confident last week.
We are basically saying that this petition has no merits. It has no foundation at law. The elections are not won in court, but they are won in the ballot box.
Zimbabweans are hoping that the matter will be resolved this week.
The constitutional application, the debates that have been ensuring out of that application, there is a lot of mixed feelings in as much as the legality and the politicality of it is concerned. So you hardly can predict what is going to be the likely outcome. The onus and discretion is upon the judges right now. But whatever the outcome, I think it will be a plus to democracy, because such gains cannot be robbed or reversed easily.
Meanwhile, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who attended the 38th SADC summit in Namibia this weekend, was elected deputy chair on politics, defense and security for the regional group. He told the heads of state the polls were free and fair and that his election was above board. The election challenge will be heard by Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court on Wednesday. Ndundu Sitole, SABC News.